follow all of these steps and keep our surroundings clean and clean. We should follow all these steps and keep our surroundings clean and clean. Thank you. Thank you.
So this is the side of which Earth was 105-6 centuries before we humans came alive, and it was completely beautiful. Every nature was there, and now we have polluted our Earth so much that now our Earth is now like this. It will soon become like this if we don't stop polluting.
This is our Earth. This is the present. And as you can see, our present is very dry, very dirty, and we are even spoiling it more further. If we decide to save the Earth, this will be the future. Very green, very bright, with lots of trees. We can have cars which are chargeable, not releasing any gas, and it will be more beautiful. And if we decide to continue spoiling the Earth, it will become safe, and after some time Earth will be only barren land, no trees at all. So the future is in your hands. Save it. Thank you. I promise that I will protect the earth, and plant more trees. I will reduce plastic and toxic materials. As much as I can. I will save Mother Earth for a bright future. Thank you.